But hey, checking in with our weather, this seems like we might be getting some rain pretty soon.
Yeah, we're already starting to see a few spotty showers out there, but much drier than what we saw many days already this week. So we'll dive into a Futurecast coming up. I want to show you the latest on the tropics. No big changes with this afternoon's tropical update. Gabrielle still a hurricane, but weakening. It has certainly peaked in its intensity as it pulls farther away from the U.S. Two tropical waves near the Caribbean, both with high odds for development, and hurricane hunters have been en route this afternoon working to explore the environment out ahead of both of these waves. So what we're trying to find out is how conducive this environment is going to be for both of these waves as they track northwest to continue to organize here. How favorable is this environment? So they're bringing us that data in real time. Let's start off with this first wave. It is already producing gusty winds, heavy rain for many of the eastern Caribbean islands. We're talking about places like Puerto Rico, places like the Dominican Republic, the Virgin Islands, but not for long, as this is expected to lift toward the northwest later into this week. It will struggle to develop over the next few days, but once it works near the Bahamas, this is where a tropical depression will be possible. What about this second wave just behind it to the east? The tropical depression from this wave as early as tonight. We're going to be watching to see if this actually possesses some advisories issued on this wave. This also tracking toward the northwest into the western tropical Atlantic. We're watching the latest spaghetti plots, but keep in mind, these are not going to be locked in until we have a better consensus of two systems that have actually formed. Remember, nothing has formed yet. So generally watching to see both of these trying to move into the northwest, sitting just off of the east coast of Florida. As far as Gabrielle goes, well, this will continue to weaken. Of course, no threat to the U.S. as it continues off toward the northeast, back down to Category 1 strength by tomorrow, and then heading into the weekend, starting to lose all of its tropical characteristics, likely a remnant low as it approaches Portugal heading into early next week. So that is the only named storm out there right now. Even if we see tropical depressions form from those two waves, those would not get named until we see tropical storms. Umberto and Imelda, the next names on the list. All right, live radar in pretty good shape. A few spotty sprinkles, mostly dry. We are looking at many of us staying dry tonight. Mild evening in the mid-70s, just a few scattered showers and thunderstorms heading into tonight. But most communities are not going to be dealing with the storm coverage we saw the past few nights. Heading into tomorrow, Friday, scattered storms on tap again, but most are going to push east of I-75. So looking at areas like Hendry and Glades.